Hello, my name is Charles Webster Baer, and today is August 1st, 2008, and I'm in Bend, Oregon, USA, and I'm going to talk about the history of the universe. The universe may have been created 16 billion years ago, or 16 billion years ago the universe was so small that humans can't comprehend how small it was, so it was there, it just people couldn't figure out the situation. Anyway, 16 billion years ago the universe got big enough for humans to be able to comprehend it, and it was an energy plasma. And this energy plasma expanded rapidly, and as it expanded, it cooled. And as it cooled, it formed leptons and quarks. And as this energy plasma of leptons and quarks continued to expand and cool, it formed protons and electrons, which then formed hydrogen atoms. So now we've got a large expanding cloud of hydrogen gas, which is the universe, and parts of this cloud started to gravitationally collapse upon each other. And the friction got so intense with the gravity on these collapsing clouds that fission started, and so stars began to burn. And so about 5 billion years ago, we've got stars. And so 5 billion years ago, we've got our sun, and the lava blobs get caught in its orbit and form the planets in the solar system. About 3 billion years ago, life was created by accident. It's just, if all this stuff's going on everywhere, then, the law of probability says something's going to go like that somewhere or whatever. Anyway, life was created, like a bacteria, and it evolved into algae, which evolved into plants and fish and reptiles and mammals and humans. So that's what happened. So humans evolved about 3 million years ago, and humans created language, and they learned to farm, and they created societies, laws, cultures, cities, nations. And then about 2,500 years ago, the Greeks created a civilization that we still base our civilization today on, the foundation that the Greeks started. Well, at the same time of the Greeks, Buddha from Nepal, 2,500 years ago, created some kind of groovy philosophy where he figured out that, the universe may or may not exist. The only thing we know exists is our perception of the universe. So Buddha kind of hammered out the metaphysical stuff, and anyway, so modern religions were born. And then we've got the Dark Ages, and then we've got the Industrial Revolution. And the Industrial Revolution, technology, progress, and then we've got freedom, which was created by America about 200 years ago. Good stuff. Thumbs up to freedom. And we've got overpopulation, which was created about 100 years ago or 50 years ago. And the problem is overpopulation. The solution is freedom. Who's going to win? The bad guys with overpopulation or the good guys with freedom? I don't know. Hopefully the good guys, but we'll find out. But anyway, that's where we're at. And if we can survive this millennium as a species, and hopefully we can, then we'll go on to evolve into computers and colonize the universe and all that other BS. But right now, it's environmentalism. So that's the history of the universe, and it was only 5.5 minutes. I'm Charles Webster Baer saying peace, and go to globalinternetgovernment.com to learn more about reality.